Hi, it's Gabby here. Let's make something together. The things that we will need are soap, water spray, disposable footies, and balloons. The most important thing is 100% wool. First, we blow a balloon to match Barbie's head size. We gently pull out bits of wool and cover it layer by layer. Each layer has to be the opposite of the last layer. When all of the areas are covered, we have to put on the dispensable footy. Spray some water and put on some soap. Wrap the wool until they are combined. Gently pull to see if they are all together. Now we're adding more layers. Repeat with water and soap and rubbing. We are switching to a soap pouch to make it easier to rub. Now we're adding the second color. Almost done now. Finally, we rinse with warm water. Let it dry overnight. You can trim the bottom to look smoother. Let's try it on. We also made a blue one. If you like today's video, you can subscribe, share, and like my video.